are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me.
Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining me, Julie Jules World. Today I'm going to bring you No Sew Easy Fabric Basket Organizer. Go ahead and get into our tutorial. So the first thing you need is two 12 by 12 scrapbooking paper, and we are going to be scoring at 4-inch, 8-inch, and then you're going to do the same thing for the other one. Okay, and that's it for those two. Now you're going to be needing 4 more scrapbooking paper, which measures 4-inch by 5-inch. At the 5-inch section, you're going to be scoring at 1 inch. Okay, and you're going to do that for all 4 of those. I already pre-did it ahead of time. Once you finish with that, you'll be following these scoring lines. You should now have all your scoring lines pulled through, and it should now look like that. Let's go ahead and put these together. So I can get you 4 by 5 paper, and we're going to be attaching this to right here. Let's go ahead and get some glue and put it on these strips right here that we score. Attach it right to the center. It should now look like that. All 2 corners down in there. And so now what we're going to do is get some fabric. Be covering this. You spray adhesive and spray these and cover these with fabric. Once you're finished, now look like this. Both of them covered with fabric. So let's go ahead and get to next step. We're going to get our base. It's the inside and this is the outside. We need some bios tape, and we're going to be cutting them about 10-inch. You're going to need a couple of them. Then we're going to be cutting these, cutting down this in the center all the way down. And now you should have these right here. These is how we're going to look afterwards. So we're going to be using that. If you have ribbons, you can use that too. So we're going to be putting it inch. I would say about a 1/2 inch. We're going to be laying it like so. This corner right here. So you're going to put right here. Put one right there. And then you're going to get one more right here and one more right here. I'm going to cut this in half, guys. And this is going to be the 2 that puts right here. So you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strips, okay? And we're going to lay it out like that, and we're going to be gluing it down in place. Once you finish taping everything down, it should now look like that. But we're going to need some cardboard for pieces. Like I said, this is a really easy, to me, simple and easy project, and it's beautiful because you can decorate your home with it. You can organize your things, and it's versatile. It's so awesome. You can use this for anything, guys. We're going to be cutting out some cardboard pieces to go inside the center of every block that we score at. We're going to put a cardboard right here, right here, right here, right there, and right there. Make sure it doesn't hit the scoring line. Make sure it gets in the center, because you want to be able to fold these up. Alright, and that's how it's going to be looking, and we're going to glue this in place. We're going to glue this down on here, and you can use your glue gun, or you can use fabric glue tool, your choice, your preference. Once we do that, we'll get to next steps. Once you finish, everything is in place and it's glued down, it should now look like that. So let's go ahead and get our inside base, and we're going to be putting this on top of here. Make sure everything's sitting right. So glue this down one by one. So what we're going to do is start in the middle. Right? Alright guys, so we go ahead and glue this down. So just pin just the top part just to keep it in place. And then we're gonna start with the middle first. Once the middle's finished, guys, we just go to each and every corner. Like right here, lift that up and glue this all down. Even in the edge, make sure you get those edges as well. All right, once you finish gluing everything down, it should now look like that. And then that's where we're gonna fold these up like this. Go ahead and just tie these corners. Then tie these corners and make sure you pull it tight, guys. Just finish tying all the corners and look how beautiful that came out. That looks so good. Isn't that pretty, guys? It's a simple project, but it's so beautiful. And you can put anything in here. In these, and it's very sturdy too. With the cardboard sitting inside of there, it made it more sturdier. And it's just beautiful. I love the way it came out. I made this one here too. This one fits teddy bears. And I put a journal there and a couple teddy bears in there. I think these are gorgeous. You don't have to sew this, guys. It's just easy. This is just scrapbooking paper and glue and fabric, and you get yourself a beautiful basket. So I'm gonna put a video up so you guys can see these really good. They look so pretty, guys. I love it. I'm gonna put fabric in these. I'm gonna fill this one up here with fabrics. Alright guys, I filled it up with fabric, and this is what I'm gonna do for this one, and I'm gonna make a couple of them. And look how beautiful that is. I love the way that looks. These are awesome. These are great to have in your house. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look at this. I love this. I love the way this one turned out too. The smaller ones. These are beautiful, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you will definitely see me in my next video.